figured me out. She lights my candle. She has a handle on me. It's going well, but I'm scared as hell. That she figured me out. She thinks it's sacred.